Windows are integral to the comfort and efficiency of any home, but like any part of a house, they can face wear and tear over time. From drafts and broken seals to foggy panes and damaged frames, window issues are not only inconvenient but can also affect your home's energy efficiency and security. If you're dealing with any of these problems, Window Repair Services in Ferndale can offer professional solutions to restore your windows to their original condition. Drafts and poor insulation. One of the most common window problems homeowners face is drafts. You might notice cold air coming through the sides or bottom of your windows, even when they're closed. This typically occurs due to deteriorating seals or gaps in the window frame, which allow outside air to enter and warm air to escape. As a result, your heating or cooling system has to work harder, driving up energy bills. How Window Repair Services can help. Professional window repair services in Ferndale can replace faulty weather stripping or reseal your windows to restore their insulation. In more severe cases, a full window replacement might be recommended, especially if the frame is compromised or the window's energy efficiency is significantly reduced. Foggy or condensation-laden windows. If you've noticed fog or condensation building up between the panes of your double or triple glazed windows, it's a sign that the window seal has failed. This can occur over time due to the natural expansion and contraction of the materials. While it's typically not an immediate threat, it can be a nuisance and an indication that your window's insulating properties have been compromised. How Window Repair Services can help. A window repair expert can remove the old, broken seal and replace the glass or sealant to restore the window's performance. In some cases, the window may be able to be resealed rather than fully replaced, saving you money. A technician can also check for any hidden moisture buildup between the panes, preventing potential long-term damage to the frame or structure. Broken or cracked glass accidents happen, and sometimes a thrown ball, a falling branch, or a strong gust of wind can lead to a cracked or broken window. A broken window is not only a security risk but can also affect your home's energy efficiency and comfort. If left unrepaired, broken glass can lead to further structural damage or allow pests and weather to enter. How Window Repair Services can help. Window Repair Services in Ferndale can quickly replace cracked or shattered glass, restoring both the safety and functionality of your window. Whether it's a single pane or a more complex multi-pane window, a professional technician will ensure that the glass is replaced properly, maintaining the aesthetic and thermal performance of your home. Difficult or sticking windows. Windows that are hard to open or close are a common issue, especially in older homes. This could be caused by warped frames, damaged hardware, or dirt buildup along the window tracks. Not only does this make your windows less functional, but it can also create a safety hazard in case of an emergency. How Window Repair Services can help. Window repair professionals can assess the root cause of the sticking issue and recommend solutions. In many cases, the tracks and hinges can be cleaned, lubricated, or adjusted. If the problem stems from a warped frame, they may be able to realign or replace the frame to restore smooth operation. Window frame damage. Over time, window frames can become damaged due to exposure to the elements, particularly if you live in an area with harsh weather conditions. Wooden frames can rot or warp, while metal frames may rust or corrode. When frames are compromised, it can lead to energy loss, water infiltration, and even pest problems. How window repair services can help. Window repair technicians can assess the condition of your window frames and recommend the best course of action. If the frame is too damaged to repair, it may need to be replaced entirely. For wooden frames, a skilled technician may be able to treat the wood or replace specific sections to restore the frame's integrity. In some cases, upgrading to a more durable frame material, like vinyl or fiberglass, can offer long-term benefits. Conclusion: windows are essential for maintaining your home's comfort, security, and energy efficiency. Whether you're dealing with drafts, broken seals, foggy panes, or damaged frames, professional window repair services in Ferndale can address these common problems with ease. With expert assessment and timely repairs, you can extend the lifespan of your windows, improve your home's energy efficiency, and enhance curb appeal. If you're facing any of these window issues, don't wait. Contact a local window repair specialist to get your windows back to optimal condition.